Just sitting outside and got all these little birds. Starlings, I think they are. Sitting in the trees, eating the pine nuts off the tree. There's two right there. The other ones are pretty well hidden in that tree. Oh, here they come. Yeah, you can see them flying in out of the screen there. But yeah, just sitting here and they just show up to eat. Like I said before, it's amazing if you just sit in nature, it'll come and sit near you if you're still and quiet. Just blessed to be able to see it. Have a great day, people. Stay blessed.